Hello everybody, my name is Dwayne. I'm coming to you from Ontario, Canada. I'm just on here to do a quick review for the Insignia GoPro accessory kit. I'll pre-warn you, I don't have one other mounting system. It's actually in the vehicle right now, so unfortunately I can't show you that at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dive right into the kit that we have here. I'm going to start off with the flotation device that keeps your precious GoPro camera from sinking to the bottom of the lake. Now, this right here is the flotation system. As you can tell, it's got the connection on the top there. You unscrew it, you put your camera into the top of that, and then you just connect your simple screw there, tighten it up, and away you go. So you can go swimming, you can go diving, but if you let go of your camera, it's going to pop right up. And you can put this also on your wrist too if you decide to. As you can tell, it's got a lanyard attached to it with a clip that you can tighten to your wrist, so you're never going to lose your GoPro, which is a bonus for divers out there that like to take some nice shots on your water, do some video footage. At least you know that your camera is going to be safe and it's going to come back with you, or at least go to the top of the lake or top of the water. Next, we're going to go into the Insignia selfie stick. It extends quite long. I'm not exactly sure of the length, but as you can tell, it is quite long. Okay, I'm just going to go wrong way. There we go. Okay, so you basically extend it out. You've got the same connection like you have on the yellow flotation device. You connect your camera up to it, and away you go. Then you can do your selfie stick and go as far or close as you want. Anything you want to do with this thing is pretty interesting and kind of fun at the same time, as long as the weather is nice outside. So now we're going to go into this little device here that I use for a desk mount for the camera. It's a little tiny tripod. If you look at the top here, and get a little closer to the camera for you. This, you unscrew it a little bit and it rotates any way you want, just any direction you want. You put it any direction you want and tighten it up, and it doesn't go anywhere. Put your GoPro on the top and away you go. This is quite handy, very handy for desk surfaces, or if you want to put it on top of a car roof, as long as you're not moving anywhere, and things like that. So you can also take your selfie stick. It's also got a screw on the bottom there. I'm going to show you. See, it's got a screw in the bottom, and then you basically just screw it in like that, and then you got yourself a little tripod with the stick. You can go as high or as low as you want. I just wouldn't want to be putting it on a bad surface. That's going to tip your GoPro and you're going to destroy it. So I am actually using a GoPro 8 Black. Amazing footage, as you can tell. It's pretty clear, the audio is pretty good. I find the wind reduction is really good on this too. You don't hear it too much. But anyways, we're going to go into the next item here, which is a strap for the head, and you just basically just slide it on your head like that. You can put the GoPro on the front of your head, and you can go anywhere you want. So if you're, just say if you're a hiker, you don't want to hang onto your camera, you just stick it on top of your head, control it either by the device itself, or put it onto your phone like I have right now. As you can tell, I keep looking at it. Or if you're a ghost hunter or a paranormal investigator, this is a very handy little device, item to have, because you go hands-free. So the next one is the chest mount. I'm not going to put it on though. This goes on your chest like this, and then you just mount your camera to it, and away you go. Same idea as the head mount. The only thing different is that it requires a clip. So the clips, it comes with 2 clips, okay, 2 clips. You basically just put the clip in like this and slide it up like that, and it locks into place. You mount your GoPro to it, and away you go. You can either go the other way too, like that, right into place. It's very snug, so you don't have to worry about your camera flopping around. This kit does come with 2 of these. for either mounting on that or mounting on your helmet or your snowboard. And we're going to get into that now. This snowboard, this kit also comes with a snowboard clip. I'm not a big snowboarder, which I don't snowboard at all, and I don't do any winter sports at all. And I'll be completely honest, it doesn't interest me whatsoever, not even skating. So this will clip onto your boot, and this end will clip to your GoPro. So if you were to go down the hill, you can shorten that wire up. You can just knot it up and do what you need to do. I'm not sure if you can see that at all, but yeah, so there's the wire. It's quite long. I don't know why they didn't give multiple sizes, but they didn't. So you just clip one to your boot or to yourself, and then one to your GoPro. And if it falls off your snowboard or your skate or whatever, you're not going to lose it. You just pick it up and away you go. Very, very handy for people that love extreme sports, be it snowboarding or wakeboarding or skiing or anything like that. It's there to protect your investment. Very handy device. Or if you've got the suction cup mount like it came with, which is now in the vehicle, you can actually suction cup to the outside of your SUV, your car. It goes up to 120 miles per hour, so you're able to mount it to the outside of your vehicle. You can also wire it so if your camera falls off your vehicle, then you don't have to worry about it disappearing onto the highway or interstate. Very, very handy, and it's a time saver and a money saver, because you lose your camera, it's gone, and all your nice footage is ruined. It also comes with two of these little clips, not clips, the screws that hold your GoPro into place with all your stuff, with all your equipment that we have here. And then we're going to go into the bag. Now the bag, it comes with the kit, which is very, very handy. Now I find that it doesn't quite hold everything that they provide in the kit. I find it kind of sticks out of the top a lot, so you can't really tighten it down like that. So I recommend that if you're gonna go say hiking, just take the necessities with you, like a chest mount, a head mount, a selfie stick. Put that all into your little bag here, tighten it up, and away you go. You put it in your back. You can put it in your backpack, or you can just carry it separately on your wrist. Tighten it down, and then put it on your wrist like that, and you're good to go. Very lightweight, very easy to use. Quite sturdy, very good material they use. I'm guessing they're using ABS plastic with metal. It's built quite nice, actually. So that's basically the kit. Now, when you first get the GoPro, you'll find that it's mounted in the package on the top. Most people unclip the GoPro. There's a square mount that comes with the GoPro that's mounted to. Take that square part off. You can use that as a steady mount on a table or something like that, so don't throw that away. This also comes with the GoPro too, also. Don't throw it away, because it's still really, really good. There's nothing wrong with it. The clip still works perfectly fine. I don't know why people throw it away, because really, there's nothing wrong with it. It's quite solid. And you can use that for a dashboard mount or wherever you choose to use it. So use it at your own discretion. If you want to throw it out, throw it out. If you want to keep it, so be it. I keep it because you never know